What is it that you want? You're grumbling around. Hey, come back here. Maki. What? What is it? Okay, give me a second. I'm still having my coffee. Oh, why are you talking back to your mama like that, Mama? Okay. Just give me a moment. I have to finish my coffee first, okay? Can you do that? Can you wait for Mama? Okay, you too, Macy. Can you wait for Mama for a little bit? I'm just gonna have my coffee. Can I finish my coffee, Manika Lou? Right. We will walk in a few minutes, okay? I'll just have to finish my coffee, okay, Nika? Do you understand? What do you need to do? Okay, what do you need to do while you're waiting for Mama? I know you understand me, so what do you need to do? Nika Lou, you cannot eat the avocado, okay? You cannot eat the avocado, hon. That's not allowed. It's not for the dogs. You already had your bones, okay? Now settle down. Settle down and wait for Mama. Settle down. I know you're such a good girl. You are such a good girl. That's my baby girl. Good girl. Thank you. You're a good girl. And you make it mak. You settle down. You sit over there. Sit over there. Okay, thank you.